Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 18th October 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, sit here in soul consciousness. Continue to grind into yourself, I am a soul. Become soul conscious. Write your chart honestly, and you will continue to become sensible and experience great benefit. Question is, what law do you children, who know this unlimited play, have to understand very clearly? Answer is, this is an imperishable play in which each actor has to come at his own time to play his part. It is against the law for any actor to say that he wants to stay constantly in the abode of peace. He would not then be called an actor. Only the unlimited Father tells you these unlimited things. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. Make effort to remember the Father accurately and to become soul conscious. Keep your chart honestly. By doing this, there will be a lot of benefit. Number 2. The thorn that causes the greatest sorrow is the vice of lust. Gain victory over it with the power of yoga and become pure from impure. You have no connection with anything else. Blessing for today. May you become victorious in the war of religion by giving the proof of God's knowledge with your practical life. Details are: you now have to go on to the stage of the war of religion. The way to become victorious in that war of religion is in your practical life, because the proof of God's knowledge lies in your practical life. Let this knowledge and virtues be visible practically in your form, because nowadays, your image cannot be revealed by your discussing anything, but you can quieten anyone in a second with the practical form of your dharana. Slogan is, in order to make the soul bright, finish any problems in your mind by having remembrance of God. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Experiment on yourself and others with your mind with the powers of yoga. Sit in the laboratory of practice and experiment with yoga, and you will experience the support of the One Father and move away from the many types of obstacles of Maya. At present, you are moving along in the waves of the ocean of knowledge, the ocean of virtues and the ocean of powers just on the surface, and through this, you only experience temporary refreshment. However, when you go into the depths of the ocean, you will have unique experiences and attain jewels.